Okay, so this is the Scootmobile. For you to make this one operational, you will need to bring the steer up like this. Then we'll have to check if it's actually straight up.
Jared, bumaba ka nga dito!
And then connect it like this with turning this wheel. So that's one thing.
Pakilagay yung bread sa oven.
Then we have the chair. There's this pipe here that you will need to insert into the other pipe with the hole. Just put it on top and you'll have to guide it a little. Shake it so that it will, so that the pipe will actually disappear in the other one. Okay, so this is one part. Actually, everything is there now.
What is the
Okay,
knobs?
so next thing will be if you want to move the cart, just put your hands like this. You can change a mode if you want to move it with your hands, or be on top of the Scootmobile and drive it by using this lever. If I change the lever, I have no possibility to move it anymore. This is the time that I should be on top of the Scootmobile and actually use it.
Back. Ma, itong kulay yellow na to, pwede mo siyang i-move. So, pwede mong ma-move yung chair. So, itatataas mo lang siyang ganon. Itong lever na to, gaganon mo lang siya.
It will lock itself under the chair. Okay. So once it's unmovable like this, you want to use it, sit on it. Always make sure that the lever is in the right position. If the lever is not in the right position, you will not be able to start the machine. Okay, insert the keys, which you should find with the Scootmobile. Make sure the speed of the machine is on the lowest point.
Ma-zero siya sa umpisa bago mo siya paandarin.
And then try to start it by turning the key. It will take a little time before it's actually doing anything. Right now you'll see a change in light in the display, and the battery indicator will show full. That's the time that you know that it's actually responding. The moment you're going to use it, of course you can steer like any other steer. You have a back gear and a forward gear. I need to dose any speed for me to have the machine moving. Once I use the lever, the gear for going forward, all I need to do is press it, steer, and it will react. If you want to go any faster, just adjust it. Make sure you get comfortable with it before you're actually going to speed it up. There's an advice in the instruction that says don't start with the machine with speed higher than 5, I assume it's kilometers an hour. Okay, so making it a little slower because I'm going to drive backwards. Using the other lever for backwards. you will hear a beep for going backwards. Just release the lever and it will stop the motion. For that, there's the possibility to use the machine with one hand, as you can see. Okay, and then there's the horn. If there's too many jeepneys on the road, you can tell them they should move and that you actually want to pass.
Ma, yung charger, dito mo ilalagay sa saksak. Nandiyan dyan yung saksakan ng charger. Yung charger, nasa package din siya. So, yun lang. Ito yung susi. Kailangan, pag pinaandar mo siya, kailangan nasa, papalo siya ng F or papalo siya doon sa green. Yun lang. Tapos, ito yung susi. Tapos, kailangan mo lang siyang i-charge. Paano mo malalaman na na-charge na siya? Pagka nakita mo meron ng green light dun sa charger. Ito yung charger. Ito yung charger. Tapos yung charger, meron siyang maliit na ilaw, maliit na LED. Tapos ito yung... Tapos ito, dito mo siya isasaksak. Ibubuksan mo siyang ganun, tapos ipapasok mo ganun. Ngayon lang.